Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Wipro breaking news. Wipro Elite exclusive Wilp mass hiring assessment process is started. Candidates are receiving the test mail from Wipro team. Exam process is started. Batch of 23-24 exam process is there. Like and share the video. All videos are for all of you. I will share each and every update with all of you. Before starting the video, I have request from all of you. With the help of everyone's support, we are nominated for Topmate Creators Award. And guys, tomorrow is only last day for voting. It is completely free. Please, it will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to cast your vote. So if you click on upvote 5 times, okay, this is the process that is related to Topmate, okay, and please give the important vote and share with your friends, community. So let's win this award. This award is dedicated to our online learning family, okay. One most important thing that I have to mention, this type of message, this type of assessment related details is received by candidate. Wipro assessment test, greetings of the day, thank you for applying to Wipro campus recruitment process. As a next step you are requested to appear for online assessment and please read the instruction. Your assessment is scheduled on 21st August, okay. As a first step, please ensure that computer laptop system is meeting all the mentioned requirement or not, okay. Guys, please mention in the comment section you received this type of mail or not, okay, like you successfully applied for Elite exclusive opportunity or not. So the main thing is, that is a main doubt, that this hiring posted on which time, okay, and where is the apply link. So just understand that I created one video, okay, on July 30. It is completely stated that it is Wipro Elite exclusive hiring 24-23 batch. Just understand that Wipro Elite hiring, and I clearly mention if you are college eligible you can apply for opportunity. And Wipro Wilp hiring and sim hiring is the official mass hiring for off campus candidate, okay. So it is a Elite exclusive hiring. So the link is open only in case if your college is eligible for the opportunity, okay. So that's the main thing, okay. So don't be confused in that, we not apply for opportunity. We can wait for the particular official mass hiring that is related to off campus Wipro Elite hiring, okay. This is a Elite exclusive hiring. It is a college based, I already mentioned, and I already made a video that is related to Elite exclusive hiring. And just understand that candidate mention everything applied for opportunity, bro, okay. So that's the main thing, and I mention everything that is related, okay. So I hope it will clear. Let's discuss about the test pattern for Wipro Elite examination, okay. Like many candidates receive the update. So first is aptitude test, 3 section, English, analytical, reasoning, quantitative aptitude, 40 minute, 40 question, no negative marking, okay. It is clear. For aptitude, India Big's website is one of the best website, okay. You can solve 1000 plus aptitude question, so it will practice. And on YouTube, okay, you can search the Wipro previous year aptitude question and solve the question. Test 2 is technical knowledge, MCQ based, 15 minute, 15 question, no negative marking. Technical knowledge MCQ based means the computer science related concept they will ask. This is related to technical knowledge. It is a MCQ. Test third is coding, 20 minutes, 2 question, no negative marking. Fourth test is WET, written English test, 20 minute, 1 question, no negative marking. All tests are linked, will appear one after the other. All tests are mandatory, hence please appear all 4 tests one by one. That's the most important thing. These are the 4 tests. For written English test, you can search on YouTube. For coding, also on YouTube, there are a lot of video. Technical knowledge MCQ based, you can prepare the computer science subject, okay. Most probably they will ask from that. Important instruction, the test is webcam enabled and you are monitored throughout. If the webcam is not detected, the question paper will not load, okay. Webcam and internet speed, do not press backspace, refresh or close the window during the online test. In case of internet failure, the test will continue to run and you can attempt the question without any hassles. As soon as internet is resumed, all answer gets saved automatically. Everything is there in the guidelines, okay. And clearly I mention, if your college is eligible for opportunity, so you will receive the update in the form of phases, okay. Like if you applied for opportunity and still not receive the exam mail, so just wait, because exam in phases means different dates. Okay, different dates are there, so that's the most important thing. Let's discuss about the second update, that is Wipro Wilp hiring. Exam is also in the phases, because I already shared the Wipro Wilp assessment mail video, that is a test date 4 August, and now I received also update, that is a test date 18 August, means tomorrow. Okay, so it is a Wilp mass hiring. Okay, Wilp mass hiring is related, and in which 23-24 batch is eligible. The one most important point, test 1 is aptitude test, 3 section English, analytical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, and test 2 is WET, written English test. Both test 1 and test 2 are purely written assessment, and no section require you to listen or audio or speak. Hence usage of earphone, headphone, earbud, Bluetooth or any other devices is prohibited. Okay, so watch out this video on our channel 2 weeks ago. You will get the idea that is related to Wilp process, but this is the elite process. Again I am saying, if your college is not eligible for opportunity, we have to wait for the official mass hiring that is related to off campus. So don't worry about that. If your college is eligible, you received this type of update, best wishes for your test. Let's crack the Wipro examination. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to give your valuable vote on the Topmate. Thanks for watching the video.